Are you looking to create a successful content marketing plan? Let me explain it in detail. First, you need to identify your target audience and their needs so you can develop relevant contents. Next, set clear and measurable goals for your content marketing efforts. Create a content calendar to plan when and what content will be published. Make sure your content is engaging and provides value to your audience. Use a variety of content formats such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts to optimize your content for search engines to increase visibility in your website. Promote your content through various channels like social media, email marketing, and influencers. Track and analyze the performance of your content to make data-driven decisions. Now let's talk about the necessity of content marketing in today's digital landscape. Content marketing helps to create your branded existence and establish credibility. It also attracts and engages your target audience. Ultimately, increasing conversions and content marketing is cost-effective compared to traditional marketing methods. It allows you to connect and build relationship with your customers. High-quality content can improve your website organic search rankings. Content marketing also helps educate your audiences and answer their questions and concerns. To position your brand as an individual, business, or a company, underscore content marketing in different formats can also drive traffic to